Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are about to make some old southern collard greens. Yes, and this is my dinner that I had for the 4th of July. So let's get into ingredients.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive, miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on nothing. Take you there.
Hey guys, I'm ready to make my greens. These are all the ingredients that I put for as seasonings in my greens. Okay. And yes, and you got to have your extra virgin olive oil. Also, can't forget our better than bouillons. Okay. Roasted chicken base and some fresh minced garlic. So I use powder and always some fresh minced garlic. And we also are going to cut up onion, okay? So we can't forget our onion. All right, let's get busy. So our turkey tails are in the pot, about to boil. We're going to season our water. All right. Make sure you wash and pluck those little feathers and hairs off of your smoked turkey tails, okay? That's very important. Add your seasoning and all that goodness, the minced garlic, and stir. Now listen guys, I don't add my onions until I add my greens, okay? So yes, put all that goodness up into your Dutch oven. And let's let these turkey tails cook down for about 45 minutes. All right, y'all. So our greens. I just got kale and collards. Baby greens. Got a little salt. Some vinegar. Soak them. So you wash them before you cut them. And then you cut them. Just massage it. Like you massage yourself, you know? Tenderly. Okay? So you can get all that dirt off of them. Yes, love. Yes. It says caressed. Alright, guys. So, I'm going to let these soak for a little bit more. This is the second wash. So, bathe your greens. Clean the greens. Get that grit and dirt. You know, greens is nasty, guys. Even the ones from the bag. But these were fresh. So, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. We're about to add. You see that our liquid has reduced. Okay. So now we're just going to start adding our greens into the mixture. You know they cook down, so we're gonna pile them and then keep piling and piling. Be right back. All right, so add your onions in there and then start stirring everything up. Look, I'm a righty. I'm trying to stir, but I ain't gonna fool around with my left hand and record with my right because I don't want this hot juice falling on me, but you get the picture. You're gonna stir it all together, right? Cover the pot in about 45 minutes or so. these delicious greens is going to be delicious. I like mine with a bite to it, but not raw, okay? And but I still need a bite to it. I need some texture going on with a crunch. All right, so I'm gonna mix this together and be right back. All right, I got it mixed in, guys. So we just gonna cover the pot. You ready to go? And I'll be back. All right, there you have it. A good old succulent pot of collard greens. Yes. And then you have the risotto that I made if you saw the last video. And these delicious kebabs with the shrimps and scallops. Oh, Lord. It was so delicious. My girls enjoyed them. I appreciate you for watching. I also made these beef ribs in the oven and put some barbecue sauce on it later. Yummy, yummy. And I fried some porgies. Oh, yes. And then made some potato salad. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment down below. As I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. Later.